Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can create a quote in Xero. Xero is a very nice accounting software. I would say it's the best option if you're a small or medium-sized business. I really like to use it personally, but in this case I created this account, which is just free for 30 days, which is very generous of them. And it's the best option for small, medium companies, even for freelancers that can just put some kind of business together. So, how to create a quote? Let's say you need a quote someone in your contact list, or basically send a quotation. What you need to do is go to the top right corner and click on this plus button. In this plus button, you click on quote and start typing to find or create contacts. That's our first, basically a rule, or first thing we need to do. So we already have some contacts going on. So we go with car company, expiry in 7 days, which is date of creation, and the last day you need to receive an order, quote number, reference, go like this. Currency is euro, but if they operate in something else, you can add another currency. Tax exclusive or inclusive. Item, we see like rocket engine or rocket parts. Let's get a quotation for rocket parts. Change quality for 5. So since we tag it, it's 25,000, tax exclusive. And just like that, we can either attach files from a boss or a formal quotation, and then we can either save it and close, or save and add another one, in case the only person in charge of sending quotes and orders is a boss. But if it's not, you can just send or mark as sent. Since you sent it, it's part of an email. Hi Alex, thank you for your inquiry. Here's a quote. View your quote online, blah blah blah. And you basically send it. And that's how you send a quote. So if you have any types of questions, guys, please leave them underneath this video. And thanks for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.